In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit messages on Facebook Messenger. If you've ever sent a message with a typo or left out a key detail, editing can save you from confusion and follow-up corrections. I'll walk you through how to do it on both your phone and your computer, and I'll share a few practical tips so everything goes smoothly. Let's start on mobile, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Open the Messenger app and head to the conversation that contains the message you want to fix. Make sure you're looking at a message you sent, because edit controls only appear on your own messages. Press and hold the message. After a moment, a menu will pop up with several options. Tap Edit. Your original text will become editable right in place, so you can correct spelling, add missing details, or rephrase what you meant to say. When you're satisfied, tap Save or tap the check mark if that's what you see on your screen. That instantly updates the message in the conversation. Take a second to reread it before saving to avoid a second round of edits. Now let's do the same thing on a computer using Messenger.com. Open your web browser, go to Messenger.com, and open the conversation that includes your sent message. Move your mouse pointer over the message you want to change. When you hover, you'll see extra controls appear next to it. Click the three dots, sometimes labeled More. From the menu, select Edit. Your message will switch into an editable field. Make your changes carefully, then click Save to apply them. The updated text will replace the original in the thread. A few quick tips to help if something doesn't look right. If you don't see the Edit option, double-check that you're pressing or hovering over a message you sent, not someone else's. On mobile, ensure you pressed and held the message long enough for the full menu to appear. If the app looks different from what you expect, updating Messenger to the latest version can restore missing options and improve stability. And if changes aren't saving, confirm you have a solid internet connection and try again. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation, choose your sent message, select Edit, make your correction, and save. With these simple steps on both mobile and desktop, you can quickly clean up typos and clarify your messages without sending a separate follow-up. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.